In this video I am going to show you how to pay mortgage with Bilt credit card. So watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Is this possible to pay mortgage with Bilt credit card? Well, unfortunately it is not possible because not all mortgage companies accept credit card payments. There might also be specific fees or requirements involved. To contact your provider directly to confirm their policy. Bilt currently does not officially support mortgage payments. Using your card for such transactions might violate their terms and lead to issues. Additional considerations. There could be significant fees associated with processing a mortgage payments through a credit card. Be sure to factor this into your decision. While Bilt offer rewards point, their terms might exclude mortgage payments from earning points. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more this type of videos. Thanks for watching.